Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today is Tuesday. That means it's Tip Tuesday and I'm coming at you with a great jewelry tip again. So today I wanted to show you a different way you can wear your scarf necklaces. If you don't already know, there are 1,010 ways you can wear them. You can wear them as a belt around a dress like what I'm wearing. You can wear them like folded in half and pass these ends through the loop. There are 1,000,000 different ways, and if you look them up, I think I even have them on the channel, some ways to wear them. But I have a brand new way. So I'm going to use this gold scarf necklace as a example. Okay, so we're going to take the scarf necklace. And in this example, we are going to use a scarf necklace, and we are going to use just a simple stretchy bracelet. Any one of Paparazzi's stretchy bracelets will work. So you're going to put this on like you normally would, or like one way like I have it now, you wear it this way. So you're going to drape it around and then cross the ends in the back and pass them on either side. Now one thing we're going to do is we're going to take our stretchy bracelet, and I hope you guys can see this. Let me scoot in a little bit. There you go. So you take your stretchy bracelet. And this one just happens to have a lava bead, but it doesn't matter which stretchy bracelet you get. So you take the center of your necklace, and you're going to pass the bracelet behind. And then you're going to take the bottom, pass it through the top, and pull. And when you slightly pull, it's going to tighten, and you're going to have this loop right here in your bracelet. Now one thing you can do with these is you can place sunglasses or reading glasses on this loop, and now you have a little holder for your glasses. But another great tip I have is use the stretchy bracelet to tie your scarf necklace. So you're going to take the ends of the scarf necklace and go under the stretchy bracelet and come up. Then you're going to do the same thing with the other side. You're going to go under the stretchy bracelet and up and have the pieces in the center, and then you're just going to adjust it however you want it. And there is a great way for you to tie your necklace. You can adjust it however you want it. You can make the blue, like if you were using this black and blue bracelet, you could make the blue be shown more on the top up here or more on the bottom. You can get a matching gold stretchy bracelet that would match the gold in the necklace. You can play up with your colors, add accents to what you're wearing. As this is wearing a black top, I chose to have like black in the bracelet. But there is another way to tie your scarf necklaces. I hope you enjoyed this tip, and if you would like to see more videos, then subscribe to my channel. Let me know if you have any tips that you would like to see turned into videos. Just comment below with them, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.